welcome Sudipta ma'am to the Masterpieces. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Suruchi. How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am. Very fine. Thank you. So, ma'am, you are a new member of the Mentor community. So, can we start by knowing a bit about yourself and your career journey as well?
Sure. So I come from marketing, strategy, and branding background, and I have overall 16 years of experience working with various multinational companies. For example, HP, EMC, Ericsson, Tally Solutions, and Intuit.
Right.
And if you ask about my career journey, it was I started my career when I was doing my 10th in Calcutta, and
Right.
I had a very good career in academics. If I say, because I was a state scholar, and because of my father's income, I didn't get my scholarship. And then in 12th, I also was a rank holder in the overall college that was there. And then I thought that I will go forward and do my medical because I come from a doctor family. But my father said that he was the first person breaking the norm and becoming the first engineer. And he told me that being a doctor and getting establishment takes a long time. So why don't you think of other options like engineering? So that was
Right.
the time in Karnataka was coming up with the CET, and I appeared in CET exam. I got through merit quota, and I also did quite well in the overall engineering in computer science. And
Mhm.
after the computer science, I identified that my strength lies in interacting with people. I'm very good with the numbers, good with analytical and the problem solving. And that
Right.
was the time I got to know a very unique concept coming from Wigan and Lee College. It says that while you learn, you also earn. So
Yeah.
you become the intern, and also you learn the concepts of marketing, and you work as 8 hours in all those different companies to gather your knowledge, what you are actually learning. So that gave me the age of continuous 2 years while I did my full-fledged MBA. I
Right.
also worked in various companies like ICICI Bank, Object of Technologies, mostly into retail, banking, IT. And after my MBA, I got also absorbed by Object of Technology. So that was my first stepping stone in a company, and joining as a marketing executive, learn hands on how marketing works, got to know how to work with the customers, a lot of market research, planning, understanding different markets, how the consumer behaviors are. From there, I moved on to other companies, as I said, EMC, HP, and then Oracle. My career became, very successful when I was in Oracle for 5 years,
Yeah.
and then I moved to engineer in Ericsson as a senior manager, and then I moved to a director position.
Yeah.
And from Ericsson, I got an opportunity to work with Tally Solutions. You might be knowing Tally; they are the leader in accounting. And so in Tally, I joined as a global head of customer and partner marketing.
Yeah.
And that was the time again something very interesting thing happened. I was doing my course from IIM Calcutta. It's a senior women leadership strategic course that tells you that you are already at a very higher level. So
Mhm.
having this, definitely adding value to your career, understanding how do you move to the next level of an executive,
Right.
right? So IMC taught me that everything is works in progress, and live your dreams, and don't dare to move out of your comfort zone,
Yeah.
and do try, because if you don't try, you don't learn,
Yeah.
right? It's always to do something rather than not doing anything, correct?
Yeah.
So that was the time when I was doing in Tally Solutions. I was working, and I was also completing my 1 year full-fledged course with all the campus work, all the sessions that we used to have in the weekdays, and
Yeah.
all the papers, exams, and everything. So it was very difficult traveling, doing my job, managing my family and everything. But I'm experimenter with my career, learning every 2 3 years new technologies, because you need to be going with the market, how the trends are. So I did my digital marketing courses, I did my IIM Calcutta, I topped there as well. And then I thought that after 15 years of successful career, why not doing something on your own? And that is
Yeah.
why I started my entrepreneurship journey, and I worked with one of the marketing agencies, where my partner also came along, and I joined him. and I'm working there as a strategic partner. It's a media nurture. It's a
Yeah.
full-fledged marketing company. We work with Fortune 500 and the medium and the small companies across the globe. I
Right.
also work as an independent consultant in various consulting agencies like CMPTL, GLG, and also working with various other marketing agencies and companies like Intuit and TCS and Wipro, to understand and provide my value add in the area of marketing and branding. So I feel that you should keep going, and the more you learn, the more you getting more experienced, and that is
Right.
why you create an age of yourself. So that
Right.
is about my journey, and I love to interact with the kids and the professionals. In Ericsson, I started also my mentoring journey when I joined sometime in 2013, and I thought that this is something I'm very passionate about along with my work. So that is how I am also doing mentorship for the
Right.
students and also for the different professionals. Yes.
Right. So you joined the Hair Career Mentors in June, right?
Right.
So can you tell me what was your objective or what was the thought process when you decided to become a mentor?
Yeah, approached me when I was in Tally sometime in 2018, and I missed that chance because I was full-fledged into my corporate career and doing my studies at that time. I didn't have the bandwidth to be true to join there, and I didn't really know there. But again in 2019, that was the time they again approached me, and
Yeah.
they told me that why don't you give your test, and we really want to see how things go. So my test results were really nice, and they told me that join here. But again in 2019, I was not very convinced because I thought that I don't have the time to get into this full-fledged. But when I started my entrepreneurship journey after I left Tally, I have been, mentoring in various institutes, in various corporates, different professionals and the students. So I thought, okay, let me take it also as an opportunity, also work with Dheya to reach out to as many as students and the professionals and change their lives. So that is how I joined Dheya sometime in June, and
Yeah.
everything went through, and it's very, very exciting right now.
Right. So I saw that you were also the part of the mega event. Can you tell me about your experience about the mega event?
Yeah, I will say that the first time during this pandemic, when people are little clueless, they are directionless, what to do, people are actually getting into a lot of negative vibes, and things around us are not really going, and we don't know things will be even worse going forward.
Yeah.
Coming up with such an unique concept of reaching out to the youth of the nation and telling them
Yeah.
all the different possibilities that you can choose in your career only if you have the right skill, the right strength, and
Yeah.
the concept and the psychology, the way they works, Anand sir and Naveen sir, I think that is something very positive, and it comes from our own religion, that we have learned in Upanishad, in Bhagavad Gita, what Swami Vivekananda ji and Ramakrishna ji had said. So today that values are getting diluted because we are
Yeah.
moving towards that western kind of a culture. We believe in nuclear kind of a family. We are actually losing all the Indian values, right? So I think this is where Dhya is very, very strategically and unique placed, where we first time reached out more than 1.25 lakhs of students, both from 10th, 12th, even UG and PG students, and even there were some of the professionals and their parents joined. And I had been talking to various industry forums before joining to Dhya as a part of my career. So I thought, why not reaching out, taking this opportunity. So this is how why participated in Mega Career Conclave, and I found that people were really enthusiastic to know different options, not just engineering or medical or CA or as a law, but
Yeah.
going beyond that. So things are changing. People are more inquisitive. They really want to take up other career options, and this
Yeah.
is where we are creating the value for them.
Right. Well, thank you, ma'am. To conclude, do you have anything to say to the kids and the parents out there?
Yes, Suruchi. So there are three things that I believe. One is that you should always, leave your dream. As I said, take one idea, make sure that you sleep on it. You ensure that idea is getting fulfilled. And even Swami Vivekananda ji also had said that, right? You should stop at nothing until you fulfill your goal. So that's the one thing I really strongly believe everyone should be doing this, and we should not be thinking that okay, there is a failure, I should take a step back. Failure should not be taken as a failure, but it is the stepping stone of a success. So that is the
Yeah.
second thing that I really want to say. And the third thing is, the current education does give us knowledge, but also we ourselves have to do a lot of other extracurricular activities to acquire the skills. Like if
Yeah.
I see myself, every 2 or 3 years I have done something on my own to learn new skills, to
Yeah.
being on the edge of the technology. So you need to learn to make sure you are sellable in the market, you are coachable in the market, and you
Yeah.
have the right skill set to help others and mentor others. So definitely these are the three things that I really would like to give a message to my viewers. And
Yeah.
thank you so much, Suruchi, for giving me this opportunity to interact with the students and the other parents of India and abroad.
Thank you so much, Sudipta ma'am, and I hope that our association goes a long way. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Suruchi.
Thank you.
Take care.